In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landing page in Payhip for free. Creating an eye-catching landing page is a crucial step in presenting your products and making them more appealing to potential customers. We'll go through each step to ensure you can get your landing page up and run smoothly. First things first, you need to sign up for Payhip if you haven't already, or simply log in if you have an account. To get started, head over to their website. You'll see a typically prominent Get Started for Free button, which is your gateway to creating a dynamic online presence. Follow the straightforward prompts to create an account. If you already have one, just log in and we can dive right into the fun part. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the Store tab within your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll find an option to Launch Your Store Builder. Click on this, and you're on your way to customizing your landing page. This tool is intuitive and user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and seasoned website creators. The customization process begins by adding a custom page. Look to the top left corner, and you'll find the Add button. Click on it and select Custom Page. With Payhip's drag-and-drop editor, you have the creative freedom to structure your page however you like. You can incorporate vibrant text sections, captivating images, engaging videos, and highlighted or featured products. If you're keen on making this page the central spot visitors land on, click the Settings, represented by a gear icon, and select Set as Homepage. As you design, it's vital to optimize your page for search engines. Start with a clear and descriptive page title that will grab attention and communicate the essence of what you're offering. Then, set a custom URL, ensuring it's easy to read and remember. This step is crucial in enhancing your page's visibility for search engines, making it easier for people to find your content. Lastly, double-check that the visibility setting of your page is set to public, allowing everyone who visits the link to access your page. Before you finalize your hard work, take advantage of the preview option. This allows you to view how your landing page appears on different devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones. This step ensures a seamless and professional look across all platforms. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the final step. Hit that Publish button and voila! Your landing page is live and ready to impress your audience. There you have it. You've just created a landing page on Payhip, and all for free. With these steps, you're well equipped to attract and retain more customers with a well-designed and functional landing page. Happy creating!